Welcome to Varam Nutra, Creative Ideas, Travel and Food. Today I'm going to present before you a complete South Indian vegetarian meals. ஒரு கல்யாண சாப்பாடுன்னு தமிழில் சொல்லுவோம். We have this kind of meals mostly in marriages. So that I'm going to prepare today and I'm going to show you how it's being presented in a banana leaf. It's தமிழ்நாடோட கலாச்சாரம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா விருந்தோம்பல். நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு வர கெஸ்ட்டை நம்ம நல்லா கவனித்து அவங்களுக்கு நல்ல சாப்பாடு பண்ணி வாழை இலையில் சர்வ் பண்ணுறது வந்து நம்மளோட கலாச்சாரம். ஸோ இந்த கலாச்சாரத்தை வந்து இப்போ நம்ம இந்த மாடர்ன் இதில் வாழை இலை அப்படியெல்லாம் யூஸ் பண்ணி நம்ம பண்ணுறது கிடையாது. ஸோ இதை வந்து எப்படி நான் உங்களுக்கு காமிக்கணும் அப்படின்னு ரொம்ப ஆசைப்பட்டேன். ஸோ ஐ ஜஸ்ட் வாண்டட் டு ஷோ ஹவு இன் அ பனானா லீஃப் all these varieties are being prepared and being served. So it's actually a combination of carbohydrates, fiber, protein. So you will have a complete meal over there. So you will have a sweet, you will have some greens, then you will have a lot of vegetables, then you will have some gravies. So all this is being made and it's being served in a banana leaf. So let's go to the video and stay with me till the end. So I will not be showing you how I am preparing everything because it's a process of 3 to 4 hours. So I'll be just showing you a glimpse of how and what I made. So on the end, I will be showing you how I am presenting it in a complete banana leaf. It took me around 3 to 4 hours to complete this entire menu. You have got rice, curd, sambar, more korambu, rasam, raita, brinjal kara korambu, keera kootu, cabbage பொரியல், வாழைக்காய் பொரியல், potato வறுவல், sprouted moong dal, முளைக்கட்டின பயிறு சுண்டல், then you've got dal, that is பருப்பு, and along with that ghee, then உளுந்து வடா and masal vada, along with that puppet, more mulaga, then you've got kesari and semia paisam as a sweet. We will have a glimpse of how it's all being done. Let's start with sambar. Usually sambar is made with tur dal and vegetables. Today I have used drumstick and pumpkin as vegetables over here along with tur dal. This one is cabbage stir fry, mutakos poriyal, which is cooked along with beans and carrots. We garnish it with grated coconut. It is not a spicy one, it's used as a side dish for rice. This is brinjal kara korambu, which is a little spicy one, which is taken along with the rice. This is keera kootu. We use greens to make this kootu. Greens are cooked with moong dal and coconut and it is used as a side dish for rice. This is potato fry, urlakazhangu varuval. It's almost everyone's favorite. This potato fry is used as a side dish for rice. This is tomato rasam, that is takali rasam. It will be in a running consistency. It is used along with rice. It has a lot of medicinal properties. It has pepper and cumin seeds in it and has a lot of medicinal properties. It is taken as soup also. This is sprouted moong dal sundal, that is pairu sundal. Sprouted moong dal is cooked in low flame and garnished with grated coconut. This is also used as a side dish for rice. This is more korambu made using buttermilk and used along with rice. Raw banana stir fry, which we call it as vaழைக்காய் பொரியல், made out of raw banana, used as a side dish for rice. This is rava keshari, made with rava, that's suji and sugar, garnished with nuts. This is a sweet that can be prepared easily. This one is Semia Payasam, made with vermicelli and sugar. It's garnished with nuts. It has its own place in all the festivals and functions in South India. This one is Medu Vada, made with urud dal. Puppet, we call it as appalam in Tamil. This is more mulaga. This is deep fried and it is used as a side dish for curd rice. This is masal vadai made with channa dal. Now it's all done. Let's see how we are going to present it in a banana leaf. Now first we'll start with the sweet. Badusha and laddu are placed. Cabbage stir fry mutakos puriyal is being placed. Varaka puriyal, that is raw banana stir fry, is being placed. Potato fry. Kira kootu, that is greens kootu. Moong dal sundal. Vada. Pickle. Rice. Chips. Puppet. Kesari. A teaspoon of ghee is poured on the rice and dal is placed. Dal will be mixed with the rice and ghee and will be taken. Sambar is placed. Then kara korambu. Then more korambu. Rasam. And then curd. Payasam is kept. Raita is kept. So after completing the meal, banana will be taken. After completing a full meals, bida is taken made with betel leaves. It is always said in Ayurveda that our food should have 6 kinds of taste to maintain a nutritional balance. A complete South Indian full meals has got all the 6 tastes in it. Hope you enjoyed this complete South Indian meal served before you. If you like my videos, kindly consider subscribing my channel and do share these videos with your friends and families. Thanks for watching Varam Nutra. By the way, don't forget to post your valuable comments in the comments box. Thanks for coming to my house to enjoy this South Indian vegetarian full meals. Bye bye.